Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about MCQs on micrometrics. So let's begin. First question is 1 micrometer is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 centimeter, 10 raised to the power minus 3 centimeter, 10 raised to the power minus 6 centimeter, 10 raised to the power minus 3 meter. So the correct answer is 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter. The next question is which of the following properties of a particle significantly affects the physical, chemical and biological properties of the drug? Density, sedimentation, size or surface area. So the correct answer is surface area. The next question is it is difficult to express the size of the particles in meaningful diameter. The reason is that particles in powders are irregular in shape, irregular surface, spherical shape, uniform in shape. So the correct answer is irregular in shape. Next question is the type of particle diameter obtained largely depends on method by which it is determined, nature of powder, procedure by which it is calculated, way it is defined and described. So the correct answer is method by which it is determined. The next question is when cumulative percentage frequency on a probability scale is plotted against logarithm of the particle size, 50% on the probability scale gives the powder particle diameter of arithmetic mean, arithmetic mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean. So the correct answer is geometric mean. Next question is which one of these distribution is more important in the design of the dosage form? Gaussian, normal, number or weight. So the correct answer is weight. The next question is in the formulation development of emulsions and suspensions, what type of diameter is important? Length number, projected, sieve or Stokes. So the correct answer is Stokes. Next question is sieving method is used for size distribution analysis of powders. The disadvantage of this method is agglomerates can be identified, iteration of powder is possible, large number of sieves are required, tedious and time consuming. So the correct answer is iteration of powder is possible. The next question is while using sedimentation method for size analysis, addition of deflocculating agent to the suspension is necessary in order to accelerate the process of sedimentation, make the particle spherical, prevent aggregation, satisfy Reynolds number. So the correct answer is prevent aggregation. Question is Stokes law cannot be used if Reynolds number is more than 0.2, 1.8, 9.0 or 18. So the correct answer is 0.2. The next question is Edison apparatus consists of balance, electrode, hydrometer or pipette. So the correct answer is pipette. The next question is when Cooler counter apparatus is employed for powder analysis, the following criteria is important. Dispersion medium should be colored, dispersion medium should be conducting, suspended particles should be charged, suspended particles should be spherical. So the correct answer is dispersion medium should be conducting. Next question is in Cooler counter, as the particles travel through the orifice, the event that occurs is conductance between the electrodes increases, electronic scanners produce photographs for volume measurement, resistance between the electrode increases, sedimentation increases. So the correct answer is resistance between the electrode increases. The next question is Fisher subsieve sizer is used to determine the surface area of the powder. The surface area is measured based on the change in light transmission of gas that reaches the detector, pressure across the compact powder, thermal conductivity of gas across the powdered pack, weight of powder when air is passed through the powdered pack. So the correct answer is weight of the powder when air is passed through the powdered pack. Question is high repose angle of granules indicates bulk density of the granule, porosity of the granules, roughness of the granule surface, smoothness of the granule surface. So the correct answer is roughness of the granule surface. Next question is The true density of talc is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. The bulk density of the talc will be equal to 2.7, greater than 2.7, less than 2.7 or unrelated. So the correct answer is less than 2.7. The next question is the angle of repose values are utilized to measure the movement of granules from hopper to the table of tableting or capsule machine. Select proper containers for capsules of a given mass of powders. Study the absorption of drugs. Understand dissolution of medicaments. So the correct answer is measure the movement of granules from hopper to the table of tableting. The next question is the term light as applied to the pharmaceutical powders means low bulk density, low granule density, low true density, slightly colored. So the correct answer is low granule density. Question is the type of particle diameter that is obtained by microscope method of evaluation is projected, Stokes, volume surface. So the correct answer is projected. The next question is porosity of a porous powder is defined as bulk volume divided by void volume divided by bulk volume, void volume divided by true volume divided by bulk volume. So the correct answer is void volume divided by bulk volume. That's all for now. Thank you.